Windows 11 was announced on 24th of June 2021 and was released on the 5th of October 2021. It comes after 6 years of a stable Windows 10 release. With everything going well with Windows 10, the need for a new operating system was a non-starter. Nevertheless, we have a new OS in Windows 11. Microsoft is pushing the new OS as an update to systems world over. The good news is that you don't have to wait. You can download and install at the time of your choosing. In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install Windows 11. The link to download the Windows 11 installer is this. I have provided it in the description as well. Before you start the installation process, make sure that your system is compatible with Windows 11. There are processor and RAM requirements mainly. Generally speaking, any system that you bought in the past 4 years should be okay. Before I forget, I should tell you that to get a free Windows 11 update, you should have a genuine Windows 10 copy installed on your system. On the download page, hit the download now button. This downloads a Windows 11 installer which downloads the Windows image for installation. Alternatively, you can download the entire image and create an installation media if you prefer to do a clean install. I'm going with downloading the installer. It takes a while for the image to download. This is a non-intrusive process, so you can keep using your PC while Windows downloads. The installation begins soon after the entire image is downloaded. You need to take note that it does not prompt you or ask your permission before beginning the installation. When the installation is complete, you need to restart the system for Windows 11 to take center stage. Voila! Windows 11 is here. You can see an enhanced GUI which is pleasant looking. The Windows button is brought to the center. You can push it back to the left if you want. The other big change is that you can run Android apps on Windows 11. This feature is still in beta testing stage and not currently available on Windows 11. Apart from this, the rest of the things are exactly the same as Windows 10. You have system tray and notifications on your right bottom corner. I think this is good because the time and patience to learn new things in an operating system has waned significantly. I hope this video was educational. I will give out a review of Windows 11 when I have played with it some. Until next time, ciao.